Ever wondered how you can transform your passion for teaching into a thriving online business? The future of learning is here, and it's digital. LearnWorlds is not just another online platform. It's a comprehensive solution designed to help you create, grow, and monetize your online school effectively. Imagine having an AI assistant that enhances your course creation, ensuring high-quality output every time. That's just one of the many features LearnWorlds offers. From flexible courses to interactive videos, LearnWorlds transforms the learning experience, making it engaging and dynamic for your students. Real-time interaction is crucial for effective learning. With LearnWorlds live sessions, you can connect with your students instantly, no matter where they are. Assessments and surveys are essential for tracking progress and improving courses. LearnWorlds tools make this process seamless and insightful. Marketing your courses is just as important as creating them. LearnWorlds offers advanced pricing options, affiliate programs, and seamless integrations with top marketing tools. Customization is key to standing out. With LearnWorlds, you can build a high-converting website and a branded mobile app to ensure a consistent brand experience. Support is always at hand with LearnWorlds Academy, expert consultants, and a comprehensive help center to guide you every step of the way. Success stories like paperless lactation and voltage control show how LearnWorlds has transformed businesses, proving its effectiveness across various industries.